We are discussing about some problems of DC motor. This is the problem. A 250 volt DC shunt motor on no load runs at 1000 rpm and takes 5 ampere. The total armature and shunt resistance are respectively 0.2 ohm and 250 ohm. Calculate the speed when loaded and taking a current of 50 ampere if the armature reaction weakens the field by 3%. So from this problem we have input values. From this problems we are having voltage supply is 250 volt, speed is 1000 rpm, the I1 and no load case is 5 ampere, the resistance in field winding 250 ohm and armature winding is 0.2 ohm, the loaded current when 50 ampere. We have to find out the when loaded current is 50 ampere the speed, and we have relation is phi2 is equal to 0.9751 because of 3% reduction in the flux due to armature reaction. This is the diagram of DC shunt motor where we can find out the armature current is going and shunt field current is going from supply current. So from this point we can apply here KCL. So we will get I is equal to IA plus ISH. Here we can find out ISH very easily because 250 volt is supply and 250 ohm is a field winding resistance. So we can get ISH is equal to 1 ampere and line current is given 5 ampere. In case of no load we can find out armature current is 4 ampere. Similarly we can find out armature current in loaded case when line current is 50 ampere. So we will get a 49 ampere. So from these two equations we can find out these two values. We can find out the E1 and E2. E1 is equal to Vt minus Ia1 R1 and E2 is equal to Vt minus Ia2 Ra. So from we will put here values. First we will get E1 is equal to Vt is equal to 250 volt minus 4 ampere into 0.2. So that value we will get here 249.2 voltage. And next case we will get E2 is equal to 250 minus 49 into 0.2 is equal to 240.2 voltage. So now we can use the relation of speed and back EMF, that is equal to EB is proportional to N phi. So we will get E1 by E2 is equal to N1 by N2 phi 1 upon phi 2, and we know that phi 2 is equal to 0.97 of phi 1. So we will get from this equation N2 is equal to N1 into phi 1 upon phi 2, that is equal to E2 upon E1. So we will put all the value here. So we will get here N2 is equal to 242 is the 0.2 is the voltage at loaded condition, E2 into speed is 1000 and phi 2 is equal to 0.97 of phi 1 is to phi 1 and E1 is equal to 249.2. So we will get the numeric value of speed from this calculation is 993.69 rpm. So this is the answer of this problem. Thank you.